This one, Baba, the marble. I don't know if my wallet is ready for it. Different kinds of wood. So this is the roof. It's okay for me. Yeah, I think we will go with it. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are here in Cebu Home Builders. This is the time that we are going to get all the materials for the house that we are building in the country. So I have here all the list actually of the stuff that we are going to get. So Kuya is gonna be helping us to order everything. So they do have deliveries to the countryside, which is gonna cost about 1,800 pesos per truck. So I'm gonna list down everything here. Are they looking at me? Okay.
I'm surprised at that when you spend so much that they charge delivery.
Yeah.
This would not happen in Europe.
That's crazy because it's actually far, honestly, like the countryside. It's far from here.
Well,
We're gonna be ordering a lot actually from this warehouse because they have everything. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna list down everything here. Okay, so my gosh, basically I'm just gonna write down all of the stuff in this. What is this? I think this is like a receipt or something. So we have here the roof, Hardy Flex, the marine, the nails, umbrella nails, different kinds of wood, Volcasil hollow blocks, cement, sand, and all different kind of stuff. So this is just actually for the foundation of the house. We're not getting any tiles today yet, but we're gonna look for them. So let's go. Okay, so I've already put down everything, all of the stuff that we need for the foundation of the house. Now we're gonna try to look for some tiles here and also for the sink and the toilet bowl. So yes, guys, that was actually so much. I don't know if my wallet is ready for it, but let's go. Okay, so we're gonna try to look for some sink. Basically, like this one over here, this is 3,000 pesos to 2,999. Basically 3,000 pesos. It's quite big. I like it. But this one, yeah, they have a combo 11,150. So I just want something cheaper. Okay. Remember, actually this is the second time that we are here in Home Builders. We saw something that was a bit, look, this is only 1,900 and this is 3,900. So if you combine the both of those, you will get 6,990. Is that a good price?
and sink.
Yeah, I mean, and the sink as well. Uy, there's something in there. Let's look for something else, guys. I actually like this one, and it's quite thick. So what do you think? I was thinking of just not getting the flush one. You can just flush it yourself. Actually, you can have it very cheap, but at the same time, I also want to have a flush. So let's look for something else. This is 8,000. What? What do you think? The 6,000?
It's a bronze size.
Yeah, exactly. No, the cheap. I felt like for the bowl and the sink, we're gonna spend about like 10,000 peso. Well, there's a 6,000 peso as well. Okay, we have a lot of tiles in here. Look, this is 39 peso and the size is like 30 by 30. I like it. I like this one. It's not so slippery. Look.
This is the best.
Yeah,
Black.
it's nice. But it's 13. But there's one in here, 31 peso. Actually, the tiles here are quite cheap. I like it. Which one do you like? I want something like, bright so that it will brighten the inside. But I also want something woody like this. No, it's not the wood one. I think the wood one is over there. But it's not part of the things that we're going to get for now. We're just gonna try to look what's the best tiles to get because it's gonna take some time for them to complete everything, you know. Here, this one is the tiles for the toilet. The toilet tiles. We're also gonna put it tiles. So these ones are 10 peso. It's not so slippery. Actually, it's a bit rough. So this is good. Tom being clumsy will not be slipping. But this one is quite cool. Don't know how much is this, but this is very nice. Oh my god, I'm so anxious, stressed. Can you see my stress in my forehead? I'm so stressed actually, honestly, because of this. But okay, let's get that out of the way. Kuya is already preparing everything. These kind of towels, I don't like it. For me, it's very tacky. Do you like this ones?
They're like
But
grandma styles.
what?
You'd expect your grandma to have now.
Yeah. So look, it's very shiny and I don't like it. It's very tacky. I just want something plain and sleek, you know. We found the tiles that I like. Actually, it's over here. Look, it's quite pricey, 59 peso. Oh, look, this one, Baba, the marble. I know, but like it's a dupe. Dupe. But this one is nice. Best value, 59 peso per, I don't know how many millimeter is this. 40 by 40. Look at these tiles. This is what my cousin actually has. You know Razel's tiles? It actually looks like this. Yeah, they're similar. And this one as well. But I want something like brighter than that, like white. So let's look over here. Pink? No, not pink. I graduated with being a pink lover. Maybe about here. Look, it's 51 peso. It's very nice. Actually, I'm in the happy place right now because this has been my dream to buy something for the house, you know? But my wallet is not happy at all. Okay, we're gonna need to look for a toilet bowl and a sink.
Right, sit on the toilet. Practice.
We're gonna sit on there, and this is plastic, like the sitting one. I think everything is plastic, no? I think so.
What do you want
This
to sit
one.
on then? Gold?
Yes. Rose gold. I never thought of that. I thought like they're not plastic at all. Look, they have a lot. They even have the smaller one. This one is quite small, but it's 6,000 as well. 6,000. Whoa, this one over here, look, it's pink. I love the color, but it's 16,000 peso. But the good thing is they already have this. Hot and cold. Well, we wouldn't we wouldn't have that luxury because
Cold and cold.
it's always gonna be cold and cold in the country. Well, look here, they have 4K, and this one is 850, but it doesn't have like this one. I want something that already has like this, so we don't need to buy it. Look, this one is a total package. This one is good for 4,000 peso. This is the cheapest one I've seen, I think. It's 4,180. This one's good. The sink is very small, but that's okay. But this is the cheapest one. So when you're gonna poo baba, you're long-legged, right? You're gonna have to do like this. Look, it's very short. But I like this one. Well, I like the price. It also has a toilet paper holder, but
Paper holder, you need a squirty gun.
oh yeah, bidet.
Yeah.
We call it bidet. No, actually we don't. You need just the scooper.
Bum splash.
Yeah, I think we will go with this, no? I like this one. The price is good for me, so I think we're gonna get this. So now we are in the doors area and the kitchen as well. I like this counter, guys. Look, it's very nice. The color combination. You cannot open the drawers, but it's okay. See, you'll just have to attach this one, but this is very expensive. I don't know how much is this. They have matte wood as well, PCW. All kinds of doors are here. We're gonna try to check how much are the doors. So this one over here is about 5,000 peso. The classic one, 5,000 peso. It's very thick, actually, honestly. That's good. It's like 42 millimeter thick. And then a lot of doors over here. We're also gonna try to look for the door for the toilet. It's over here. It's just like the white one. It's like 1,300 peso. The P door. 1,320 peso. Not the colored ones, just the white ones. But
You have an audience now.
I know, sorry. Yeah, we're gonna get this door as well. The 1,901. They have a cheaper one, but it doesn't look good. This one is good. And 1,900 only. It's white as well, so I like that. I want everything to be white, you know? So we're gonna get that door as well. We're just waiting. I know, but that's why I said, come on.
Remember guys, when I started I was so nervous on MJ's vlog, and now MJ's freaking out with people around, and there I am just vlogging in public, no shit's given.
Cray. I get nervous because everyone was like looking at me like, come on. I don't know. It's been a while. I have not vlogged, but these are the kind of woods that we're gonna get. Actually lumber, that's good. But I think we're gonna get like thicker than that. And then we are in the wood section, guys. I want to make sure that the wood that they're going to give us is good and not like, you know, curvy and as such. So different kinds of wood.
All of the good stuff's in the warehouse.
Yeah. Here they only have like very few ones.
This is just to show.
Yeah.
For example, they're not going to give you this, you know?
No, they're not gonna give me that to me, or else I'm gonna return it. They have a return policy, I think, so. But it's hard to return because we're quite far from the city. Okay, we're gonna go to him now and see what he's got. Let's go. Okay, now we are going to look for the roof. So, the person who is attending to us is going to let us see if I'm okay with the type of roof, if it's very thick or not. So we're going outside into the warehouse. Over here, it's quite wet. It's been raining today because there's a storm in Cebu City that's coming in. Okay, this is the warehouse. Okay. Alright, it's very muddy. Make sure we don't slip. But this is their warehouse. It's very big. So this is the roof. Morning?
Oh, no, kanang itpit ni siya.
Oh, kani. Oh,
Kira?
okay ra. So this is the roof. It's okay for me. It's a bit thicker. Do you want to touch it? It's a bit thicker, so that's fine. The warehouse is there. It's very big. You need a lot of this. Good. Okay. Now we are here in the wood section again because we're going to choose the kind of wood that we are going to get. So Kuya Jerome is our assist today. We were here earlier actually. So we're gonna try to check what will be the best wood that we're gonna use for the house. Okay. As I say. Let's wait here a bit. There's a lot of wood here. But I think it's a bit pricey. It's a lot nicer if you have your own tree and then you cut it and make it into wood. But the big tree that you guys are telling me to not cut it, we're not going to cut it because it's very big. We would have a lot of savings if we're going to use the tree, but we're not going to cut that because it's very big, and we're just going to buy here some woods. It's actually a lot of woods, like 200 pieces, 32 pieces and such, so good luck to me. So we're just going to sit down and wait for Kuya. And then that's it.
MJ has to do a sketch to find the place. Epic.
But it's very, you can see it directly. Just look for Helen.
Why you don't just Google Map pin it?
Oh, it's okay, they want the sketch.
Classic.
Okay guys, so now we are finally finished trying to get all of the stuff. Well, actually not all because a lot is still missing, but my packet is hurting unfortunately. But this is it. This is the reality of, you know, getting some stuff here, trying to build a house. Yeah, we are done here in Cebu Home Builders. We're gonna go home. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is the start of the series of me building my small house in the province. I hope you guys will stay tuned. And thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. leave me a comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. As always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.